Team Fullest. If you guys have watched my last video, you guys have seen I cut my hair. So this is what I have been doing to keep my hair moisturized during the winter. So this is the moisturizer I use and my hair growth oil. I really love this Blow Magic hair moisturizer. I use it on the kids' hair and I also use it on my own hair. I have no issue with it. It's just beautiful. So this is what I've been using to moisturize my hair. So you guys can see the short hair feels so good. It feels really good. Like all I do is just I spray my hair in the morning with my hairspray that I make. I make my rosemary hairspray, and that is what I've been using on my hair. And then I just moisturize my hair and I use my hair oil and I'm out of the house. Sometimes I do wear a wig cap because of the cold. Sometimes I just go out like this and I really loved it. It's so beautiful. It feels so good. Like I don't know, I feel always good when I have short hair. I just feel so good with it. It's just so easy to take care of. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick lens check since we started this journey in January. I'm gonna put the exact date. I don't know out of my head, but I'm gonna look on my phone. I'm gonna put the date that I actually did this picture, and let's see how this year go. I am not promising that I am going to leave my hair to grow out throughout the year. Maybe I might end up cutting it in the summer. I have no idea. Because sometimes when it comes to my hair, I could just wake up and be like, you know what, I'm not feeling the hair, and I'll just cut it off. Yeah, that's how it is for me. Here it's just an experiment. It's a beautiful thing I got to experience. And when I cut my hair and I like, okay, I want to wear, I'll just wear wig. If I feel somehow about the haircut, I'll just wear wig. But most of the time when I cut my hair, I really loved it. So this is just a quick moisturizing video to show you guys my TWA, and I'm loving it. It feels so good. Taking shower feels so good. Oh, my hair, I can scratch my head. I can massage my edge. You guys can see that feeling is amazing. So I just want to share this short video with you guys. Stay tuned. Stay blessed.